Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today is 16th October 2021, and the day is Saturday. Right now, I am with the 10 Cambridge class, and the subject we are studying is DMaths 4024. We are working on our syllabus, and today we are studying the book New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, and we are working on its chapter number 8. And today we will solve in this session exercise 8D, which is about the law of cosine. And the name of the chapter is further trigonometry. So let's start. First of all, let me go to the first slide. Okay, so today's first slide is about the law of sines. If you have a triangle, which is not a right angle triangle, then we use this law. For example, this law is about, a triangle who has three sides and who has three internal angles. So for example, you have a triangle A, B, and C. If its three sides are A, B, and C, three angles are A, B, and C. So there are two shapes of the law of sine. One is that if you know two sides and the included angle between them, then you can find the third side. For example, if you know this side, if you know this side, and you know this included angle between them, we can find this side. So the formula will be a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos of a. For example, if you know this side and you know this angle, you can find easily this side, which is opposite to this angle. The formula will be b square equals to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos of b. For example, if you know this side, if you know this side, and you know this angle C, I can find this side C, small c. The formula will be c square equals to b square plus a square minus 2ab cos of c. So this is the form of the law of cosine in which you will find a side, and we use this formula when you know two sides of the triangle and you know the included angle between those two sides. And then you can find the side which is opposite to that given angle. So that this is the shape of the formula which will be used to find the side of a triangle. Same formula can be rearranged and to find the angle. For example, if you know all the three sides of a triangle, for example, if you want to find out the angle A, and you know all the three sides of this triangle, then you can use this shape of the formula. For example, if you want to find out the angle A, then the formula will be b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2 into b into c. For example, if you want to find out the angle B, the shape of the formula will be a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2 into a into c. For example, if you want to find out the angle C and you know all the three sides, then the shape of the formula will be the cos of C is equals to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2 multiply a multiply b. So these are the two shapes of this formula. We call it the law of cosine. Just remember this formula and the few tips which I have given to you. So let's move to the next part. In this exercise 8D, the law of sines will be also used. Law of sine is basically used in the exercise. We have learned about it in the exercise 8C. But just to remind you that, for example, if you have a triangle, and A, B, C are the vertices, and the small a, small b, small c are the sides, the length of the sides, and the angle A and the C and the B, they are the internal angles of that triangle. Then the law of sines is, you see, this side has a relation with the sine of the angle opposite to it. So you will write A by sine A, and this side will have a relation with this angle. So you write B by sine B, and this side has a relation with the opposite angle. So it will be C divided by sine C. So this is the formula for the law of sine. Here in this formula, I have put the side upstairs and the sine of the angle downstairs. You can flip it. You can also write it like this: sine A divided by A equals to sine B divided by B equals to sine C divided by C. So this is the law of sines, which will be also sometimes used in few of the questions. And another very important formula which is being used in this exercise is to how to find the area of the triangle. So if you know that if you have a triangle and you know two sides and included angle between those two sides, you can find the area of that triangle. For example, if I know A and C and the angle B, I can find the area of this triangle. The formula will be 1/2 into A into C into sine of B. If, for example, I know A and B side and the angle between them is angle C, so I can find the area of the triangle. The formula will be 1/2 into A into B into sine of C. In the same way, if you know the A and the B and the C side, and if you know the angle between them, you can find the area of this triangle 1/2 into B into C into sine of A. So these are the three kinds: law of cosines, law of sines, and the area of the triangle. These are the three main formulas, which will be used in this exercise. So let's start. So on your screen, the question number 1 is showing up, and let me open that in the book also. So question number 1 is, in the triangle ABC, the A side is 5 centimeter, the B side is 7 centimeter, and the angle C is 60 degree. Find the C. So you can see, for your understanding, I have also drawn this triangle. So you know that we know this side, we know this side, and we know the included angle, and the opposite side to that angle is question. So I will use the law of cosine. It says C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos of C. You just substitute the value of the A, B, and the sine and the angle C. So you can see here in your calculator, you will enter 5 square plus 7 square minus 2 multiply 5 multiply 7 multiply cos 60 equals to, you get 39. Under root answer equals to, so the value of the C will be 6.24. So you have found the unknown side. So this is how you do this part. Question number 2 coming up on your screen. He says, I'm reading from the book. It says, in the triangle GHI, G is 9 centimeter and I is 7 centimeter, and the angle H is 30 degree. Find H. You see, in this question, you can see, for your understanding, I have just drawn not to the scale diagram. This diagram is not to the scale. Just for understanding, we have drawn this diagram. So here, you know that this side, you know this side, and you know the angle between the two sides. I can find the side opposite to this angle. So I will use the law of sine. So A square is equals to G square plus I square minus 2 into G into I into cos of H. Just substitute the value of the small g, small I, and the angle H. So in your calculator, you will write 9 square plus 7 square minus 2 multiply 9 multiply 7 multiply cos 30 equals to, you will get 20.9. So square root answer equals to 4.57 centimeters. So the value of the side H will be 4.57 centimeter. So this is how you will do the question number 2. I hope that you have understood. We are using the law of cosine. Okay, so question number 3 is showing up on your screen, and I'm reading from the book. He says, in the triangle MNO, the M is 4.2 centimeter and the N is 5.8 centimeter and the angle O is 141.4 degrees. Find the side O. Okay, so I know this side 4.2 centimeter, I know this side 5.8 centimeter, and know the angle between them, that is 141.4 degree. I want to find out this side. So two sides and the included angle is known, and the side opposite to the given angle is questioned. So I will use the law of cosines. According to the law of cosine, O square is equals to M square plus N square minus 2 into M into N into cos of O. So O square is equals to 4.2 square plus 5.8 square minus 2 into 4.2 into 5.8 into cos of 141.4. So just enter these values, hit the equals to button, you get 89.36. Under root answer equals to, you get 9.45 centimeter. So the side O will be 9.45 centimeter. So this is question number 3 of the exercise 8T. Okay, so the next question coming up on your screen is question number 4. He says, in the triangle XYZ, the X is equals to 7 meter, Y is equals to 8 meter, and Z is equals to 9 meter. Find the unknown angles. So the three sides of this triangle are given, and their question is find all the three internal angles. So for example, when the three sides are given and you want to find out the angle, so choose an angle. For example, I want to know this angle X. So the formula will be y square plus z square minus x square divided by 2 into y into z. So just substitute the values in your calculator. You will write 8 square plus 9 square minus 7 square equals to divided by 2 divided by 8 divided by 9 equals to. So you will get 0.67. The cos will come to this side and it become cos inverse. In your calculator, you will write shift cos answer equals to. You get 48.19. So the angle X will be 48.19. For example, if you want to find out the angle Y here, so the formula will be the two sides in between which the angle is X and Z. So the formula will become a cos of Y is equals to X square plus Z square minus Y square divided by 2XZ. So you will substitute those values. So in your calculator, you will enter 7 square plus 9 square minus 8 square equals to divided by 2 divided by 7 divided by 9 equals to. Then you will hit shift cos answer equals to. So the angle of Y will be 58.41. It's very important to know your calculator. You should be in command of using your calculator. It's a game of calculator. Okay. Now, if you want to find out the angle Z, this angle, the two sides which are around this angle are X side and Y side. And we want to find out, and the opposite side is Z. So the formula will become cos Z is equals to X square plus Y square minus Z square divided by 2XY. So substitute the value of the X, Y, and Z. So in your calculator, you will write 7 square plus 8 square minus 9 square divided by 2 divided by 7 divided by 8 equals to. So you will get 0.29. Then you will write shift on your calculator. You will say shift cos answer equals to. You will get 73.4 degrees. So this is how you will do question number 4. Hopefully you understand. Okay, so we are moving to the next question. That's question number 5. He says, in the triangle ABC, AB is 6.7 centimeter, BC is 3.8 centimeter, and the AC is 5.3 centimeter. Find the size of the smallest angle. You see, I have drawn here a diagram so that you can understand that question easily. They are asking you to find out the smallest angle. All the three sides of that triangle are given. So we can use the law of cosine to find that angle. But one conceptual thing which you should understand is the smallest angle will be the angle opposite to the smallest side. So here the smallest side is 3.8 centimeters. So the angle opposite to this side will be the smallest angle. So I want to find out what is the angle A. So cos of A is equals to the B square plus A plus here I wrote by mistake I wrote here C square. It should be it's E square minus A square. There is no mistake. B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2 into B into C. Because I want to find out the angle A, just substitute the value of the B, C, and the A. So you will have 5 in your calculator. You will write 5.3 square plus 6.7 square minus 3.8 square equals to divided by 2 divided by 5.3 divided by 6.7 equals to shift cos answer equals to. So your final answer of the angle A will be 34.48 degree, which will be the smallest angle. And how do I know that this will be the smallest angle? Because this angle is opposite to the smallest side. So this is how you will do the question number 5. I hope that you have understood. So we are moving to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 6. And I'm reading it from the book. He says, in the triangle PQR, The PQ side is 7.8 centimeter, the QR side is 9.1 centimeter, and the PR side is 4.9 centimeter. Find the size of the largest angle. Remember, the largest angle in this triangle will be the angle which is opposite to the largest side. So the largest side here is 9.1 centimeter. So the angle opposite to that angle will be the largest angle. So I can find this angle. This is angle P. And if you want to find out, that will be, the formula will become the Q square, and the cos of P is equal to Q square plus R square minus P square. The whole thing divided by 2 into Q into R. So just substitute the value of the Q, R, and the P. So in your calculator, you will write 4.9 square plus 7.8 square minus 9.1 square equals to, divided by 2 divided by 4.9 divided by 7.8 equals to. So the angle P will be equals to, then you will write shift cos answer equals to, and the angle P will be 88.47. So this is how you will do question number 6. Okay, so in the figure, question number 7, I'm reading from the book. In the figure, the point B lies on AC such that AB is 8 centimeter, BD is 9, sorry, I said centimeter, it's meter, BD is 9 meter, angle ABD is 125 degrees, and the angle BCD is 55 degree. The question is, find the length of the CD. So basically, they are asking you to find out this length, which is CD. And if you pay attention to this, in this triangle, the triangle BCD, I know this side, which is 9 meter, and I know the angle opposite to it, that's 55. I want to find out the DC side and angle opposite to it. I don't know that, but I can find this angle. You know this angle, this is 125, and this is a straight line. So from 180 minus 125, and you got 55. So the angle at the B, the DBC angle is 55. So I know this angle, I want to know the side opposite to it. I know this side and I know the angle here. So we can use the law of sine. According to the law of the sine, the CD divided by the angle 55 is equals to 9 divided by the sine 55. So I will make the CD subject of the formula. This sine 55 will go on the other side. It will multiply. So on your calculator, you will write 9 multiply sine 55 divided by sine 55 equals to, so the CD will be 9 centimeters. So this side will be also 9 centimeter. Then their question is, what is the length AD? So he's talking about this side AD, and he wants you to find out its length. If you look at this triangle ABD, I know the BD, that's 9 meter. I know the AP, I know the AB, that is 8 meter, and I know the angle between them, that's 125 degrees. I want to find out the side which is opposite to the angle 125. So very easily, by using the law of sine, law of cosine, I can find out the side AD. So you can see here, AD square will be equals to 8 square plus 9 square minus 2 into 8 into 9 into cos of 125 equals to, that will be 227.6. Under root answer equals to, and that will be 15.1 meter. So the side AD will be 15.1 meters. So this is how you will do question number 7 in the exercise HD. Okay, so the question number 8 is coming up on your screen. I'm reading from the book, and the question, the figure shows the cross section of the roof of an old cottage. It is given that the AP is 5 meter, PC equals to 8 meter, angle APC is 60 degree, and the angle ABC is 45 degree, and that diagram is given. And the first thing which they want us to find out is the length of the AB. The length of the AB. For example, if you want to find out this length, you can see, if you look at this sorry, you want to find out this side, AB. The question is find the length of the AB. So, you know, I know this angle. I don't know this angle, but this angle is 60. It's a straight line, so I can find this angle 180 minus 60, and that will be 120. Now you can see I want to find out the AB side, and I know the angle opposite to this, that's 120. I know, and this triangle I know this 45 degree, and this side opposite to that angle is 5 meter. So I can use the law of sines. Here you can see AB, I want to know that, divided by sine 120, the angle opposite to it, equals to 5 this side divided by sine 45. So if I make AB alone, I will have 5 multiply sine 120 divided by sine 45. So in your calculator, you will write 5 multiply sine 120 equals to divided by sine 45 equals to. So the AB will be 6.12 meter. So now I know the length AB. Then the next question is, what is the length AC? From here, if you look at the diagram carefully, I know this side 5 meter, I know this side that's 8 meter, and I know the angle between them. And the side opposite here to that angle is question. So you can use the law of cosine. According to the law of cosine, I want to know this side, so its name is AC. So AC square is equals to the 5 square plus 8 square minus 2 into 5 into 8 into cos of 60 equals to, that will be 49, under root answer equals to, that will be 7. So the AC side will be 7. So that was, my dear students, question number 8 from exercise 8D. Hopefully you have understood. So let's move to the next question. So the next question coming up on your screen is question number 9. In the triangle ABC, BC is 4 centimeter. M is the midpoint of BC such that AM is 4 centimeter, and the angle AMB equals to 120 degree. AMB 120 degree, find the length of AC. So basically they want you to find out this length of AC. You know, this side is 4 centimeter long, and the M is the midpoint of this line. So this portion BM will be 2 meter, the CM will be 2 meter also. If you pay attention, if this angle is 120, this angle will be 60 because it's a straight line. So 180 minus 120, that will be 60. So this, I know this angle, I know these two sides, and I know the angle between them, and the AC is question. So very easily you can recognize that we can apply the law of cosine here. So according to the law of cosine, if this, I want to find out this side, AC square will be equals to 2 square plus 4 square minus 2 multiply 4 multiply 2 multiply cos 60 equals to, you get 12, under root answer equals to, so your AC side will be 3.46 centimeter. So the next question is, he says, the length of the AB, we are done. The length of the AC, we are done with it. Then the question, second part is find the length of AB. He wants you to find out this side, AB side, this side, and look at this triangle. I know two sides. I know the angle between them, and I want the opposite side. So the AB square will be equals to 2 square plus 4 square minus 2 into 2 into 4 into cos of 120. Just put these values in your calculator, hit the equal button. You get 20, and square root of the 20 equals to, that will be 5.29 centimeter. So the length of the AB will be 5.29 centimeter. The third part is, he says find the angle ACB. So he wants you to find out the angle ACB. They want you to find out this angle. You know, I know this side is 4. I know this side, that's 3.46, and I know this side, that is 5.29. So I can apply the law of cosine, and I can find this angle. If you want to find this angle, these are the two sides which are around that angle, and the side opposite is 5.29. So the cos of the ACB will be equals to 4 square plus 3.46 square minus 5.29 square equals to, divided by 2 divided by 4 divided by 3.46 equals to. You will get this answer. Then I will bring the cos here and we'll take the shift. So in your calculator, you will write shift cos, whatever the answer that was equals to, and you will get 90 degree. So the angle, he says ABC is 90 degree. Sorry, the name of the angle is ACB. That will be 90 degree. So that is the question number 9, and hopefully you have understood. So let's move to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 10. In the figure shows the supports of the roof of a building in which the BD is 5 meter, AD equals to CD. It is given that the AD is equals to CD and they both are equals to 12 meter. The BQ is equals to 7 meter and the angle PDA is 50 degree. PDA is 50 degree. PDA, this angle is 50 degree. The first question is find the angle BAD. So they want you to find out this angle whose name is BAD. So this angle here is 90 degrees. So this angle here will be also 90, this black color angle. So the angle, the triangle BABD is a right angle triangle. So if you apply, I know I want to find out this angle, let me call it the angle BAD. And I know this, if I use this angle, you know, this is perpendicular and this will be the base. I can use the tan. So tan of the angle BAD equals to perpendicular by base, and that will be 5 by 12. So tan will come to this side, it will become tan inverse. So shift tan bracket start 5 divided 12 bracket close equals to, you get 22.62. So this angle here will be 22.62. Hopefully you have understood that how we found that angle. The next question is the length of the support PD. He wants you to find out this PD. So if I know this angle, I can find this third angle, 180 minus 50 minus 22.62. So, Anji, I am back. Sorry for an interruption. Actually, my son all of a sudden came. So, where we were. So, you know how we found, I know this angle, so I can find this angle is simply 180 minus 50 minus 22.62. So you will get this angle. This is 107.38 degrees. So the question is, what is the PD? What's the PD value? The length of the PD. So if you look at this triangle, I know this side, that's 12. I know this angle opposite to it. I want to know the side PD, and I know this angle, that's 22.62. So I can use the law of sines, and the law of sines says PD divided by sine 22.62 equals to 12 divided by sine of 107.38. So the PD will be equals to, bring this thing to here, and that will be 12 multiplied sine 22.62 equals to divided by sine 107.38 equals to. So you will get 4.84 meters. So this is how you will do find the PD side. Now, the third part is find the DQ, this side, DQ side. Okay. So if you pay attention, you will know that this big triangle BDC is a right angle triangle. It is given that this angle is 90. This side is 12 meter. This side is 5 meter. Only this portion is 7 meter. So we're not using this one. I want to know this angle. First of all, I have to find out this angle BDBQ. So I will apply the formula tan DBC is equals to perpendicular by base, opposite divided by adjacent side. That will be tan DBC will be equals to 12 divided by 5. So tan will go to the other side, it will become tan inverse. So in your calculator, you will write shift tan bracket start 12 divided by 5 bracket close equals to. and that will be 67.38. So the angle DBC is 67.38. So once you know this angle, then pay attention to the triangle BDQ. I know this side, I know this side, I know the angle between them. I want to find out this DQ. So I can use the law of cosine. I know the two sides and the angle between them, and the opposite side is question. So we will use the law of cosine. And here you can see dq square is equals to 5 square plus 7 square minus 2 multiply 5 multiply 7 multiply cos 67.38 equals to, that will be 47.1 under root answer equals to, and that will be 6.86 meter. So this is how you will solve question number 10. So I hope you have understood. Let's move to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 11. And I'm reading from the book. He says, the figure shows a quadrilateral with dimensions as shown. Find the value of the side A, and the second part is find the theta. So the A, look at here, I know this side, I know this side, I know the angle between them, and the A side is opposite to this angle. So I can apply the law of cosine on this triangle. So A square will be equals to 6 square plus 5 square minus 2 multiply 6 multiply 5 multiply cos 92, and equals to, that will be 63.1 under root answer equals to, and that will be 7.94 centimeter. So the side A will be 7.94 centimeter. So the second part is find the angle theta. He wants you to find out this angle. I know this side, that's 7 centimeter. I know this side, that's 5 centimeter. I know this side, we just found it, 7.94. So I know the three sides of this triangle. I want to know this angle. So the formula will be, I will use the law of cosine, and cos theta will be equals to 5 square plus 7 square minus the side opposite 7.94 square divided by equals to, and then divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 7 equals to, that will give you 0.157. Make theta alone, shift cos answer equals to, so it will be 80.99. So the angle will be 81 degree. So the angle theta will be 81 degree. So this is how you will do question number 11. Question number 12 is showing up on your screen, and I'm reading from the book. He says the figure D is a point on the CB such that AD equals to 2 centimeter, AC equals to 4.5 centimeter, CD equals to 3.5 centimeter, and the angle ABD is 50 degree. The first part is find the ADB angle. The angle ADB is the question. Angle ADB is the question. So I cannot find this angle directly because this triangle, I know this angle, I know the side opposite to that, but I don't know this angle. I don't know this side, I don't know this side. So we cannot directly find this angle, but there is an indirect way. What I will do, look at this side. Look at this triangle, ADC. So this side is 4.5, this side is 2, this side is 3.5. So let me find this angle first, this ADC angle. So the cos of ADC will be equals to 2 square plus 3.5 square minus 4.5 square equals to, divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 3.5 equals to, shift cos answer equals to, so the ADC angle, this angle ADC will be 106.6. So I want, once you know this angle, very easily I can find this angle because this is a straight line. So if I know this angle will be 180 minus this angle. So it will be 180 minus 106.6, and that will give you 73.4. By mistake, I wrote here centimeter. This is not the centimeter. This is not the centimeter. Okay. Let me just cut it. Okay. This is degree. This is degree. Okay. So now I know this angle. That was the A part. The B part is the shortest distance from A to CB. The shortest distance from A to, this is the point A to the CB. That will be a line which comes from A onto the CB side and makes 90-degree angle with the CB side. So here I have drawn a line which is making 90-degree angle with the CB side, and it started from the A. So that is the shortest distance between A and the CB. So now look at here, this side is also 90, and in this side, I know this angle, and I know that this is 2 centimeter. I know this angle is 90. I want to find out this side, AX. So I can use this right angle triangle. Sine 73.4 will be equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So that will be x by 2. So the x will be 2 multiply sine 73.4. So the x value will be 1.92. So this length here, this will be 1.92 centimeter. The third part is the length of the BD. The length of the BD. He wants you to find out this length. And okay, so the BD is the question. So now look at this triangle ADB. I know this angle, that's 50. I know this angle, that's 73.4. I will find this whole angle, this angle DAB. So the angle BAD or DAB, that will be 180 minus 50 minus 73.4. That will be 56.6 degrees. So I know this angle, that's 56.6 degrees. Now in this triangle, the side opposite to 50 degrees 2, the side opposite to 56.6 is question BD. So I can use the law of sine. The BD, this side BD divided by the sine of this angle, that's 56.6, equals to 2 divided by sine of 50. So the BD will be equals to 2 multiply sine 56.6 equals to divided by sine 50 equals to. So the BD will be 2.18. So the BD will be 2.18. Hopefully you have understood this question. Let's move to the next question. So he says on a map, question number 13, I am reading, on a map whose scale is 2 centimeter to 5 kilometer. So if something on map is 2 centimeter, in actual it will be 5 kilometer. A form is shown as a triangle XYZ, given that the XY is 9 centimeter, YZ is 12 centimeter, and the XZ is 8 centimeter. Find a part is the length in kilometer, which is represented by the XZ. So the scale is given to us. So here you can see the XZ in actual is question. So I'm going to use the method of the proportion and map and actual. I write here map and actual. On map, something which is 2 centimeter, in actual it is 5 kilometers. Something which is 8 centimeter on the map, how long it is in actual. So this is the ratio method. So 2 divided by 8 equals to 5 divided by x. So x will be equals to 5 multiply 8 divided by 2, and that will be 20 kilometers. So the xz, which is represented on the map with 8 centimeter, in actual it is 20 kilometer. The second part is, he says, find the angle find the angle YXZ. He says, find the angle YXZ. So he wants you to find out this angle. We know the 3 sides of this triangle. So I can very easily find out this angle, and the cos of the cos of the YXZ will be equals to 8 square plus 9 square minus 12 square equals to divided by 2 divided by 8 divided by 9 and equals to, then shift cos answer equals to, so your final answer will be 89.6 degrees. So the angle here is basically 89.6 degrees. The third part is, he says, the area in kilometers square, which represents the triangle XYZ. So he wants us to find out the area of this triangle, the actual area of this triangle. So first of all, I will find the area on the map. The area in the triangle XYZ will be equal to a triangle. I know these 2 sides. I know the angle between them. So I will find the area of this triangle. That will be 1 by 2 into 9 into 8 into sine of 89.6. And that will be 35.999 centimeters square. So which is equal to 36 centimeters square. So that's the area on the map. And the scale of the diagram is given to us. But that scale, this scale, given scale is in of the length. If I want to use the scale of the length for the area, I have to take square on both the sides. So map actual 2 centimeter, which was equals to 5 kilometers. So I will take squares, 2 centimeters square, 2 centimeter and a whole square. In actual, I will write 5 kilometer whole square, 5 kilometer, I will take its whole square. So 36 centimeters square on map, how much will be in the actual area? So it will be 4 divided by 36 equals to, this will be 25 divided by A. So just cross multiply, make A alone. And now, so you will have 25 multiplied by 36 divided by 4. So the area of this triangle in actual will be 225 kilometers square. So it's a little tricky question because it involves the concept of the map, the scales of the map, and I think which you have studied in your D2. Okay, so we are moving to the next question, and the next question is question number 14. In a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC, AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, CD is equals to 7.5 centimeter, and the AD side is 6 centimeter. The point X lies on CD such that the BX is parallel to AD. So this BX axis on the CD side, that this BX is parallel to this side. So you can see this is a parallelogram then. So if this will be 4.5, this side will be also 4.5. This whole thing is 7.5. So this portion will be 3. If this side is 6, then this side will be also 6. So this is a very conceptual question. He says find the angle BCX. He wants you to find out the BCX, this angle. Okay. So I know the 3 sides of this triangle. So very easily I can find this angle. So the BCX will be equals to the cos of BCX equals to 3 square plus 5 square minus 6 square equals to divided by 2 divided by 3 divided by 5 equals to shift cos answer equals to, so you get 93.8 degrees. So this is the terms which I'm speaking. These are the values which you will enter into the calculator. So now we know this angle BCX, that's 93.8 degrees. The next part he says, and also find the length of the BD. So I want to find out the length of the BD. If I join the B and the D, I want this side. Okay. So if you look at the triangle BCD, I know this side, that's 5. I know this whole side, that's 7.5. I know this angle, that's 93.8. So by using the law of cosine, I can find the BD side. So according to the law of cosine, BD square will be equals to 7.5 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 7.5 into 5 into cos of 93.8 equals to under root answer equals to, so your final answer will be BD equals to 9.3 centimeter. Very technical question. So that was question number 14. So let's move to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 15. In the figure shows 2 triangles ABC and ADE. Determine if the ADE is an enlargement of the triangle ABC. So if the triangle ADE is the enlargement of the triangle ABC, then the ratio between their corresponding sides will be same. So you see the big triangle, this side is AD, its ratio with the AB I will check. So the AD side is 5 centimeter and the AB side is 3 centimeter. So the ratio is 1.67. Then I will take this side. The big triangle its side is AE, and the small triangle corresponding side is AC. So the AE ratio AC, that will be 11. This whole side is 11 divided by 6, and that in decimal fraction is 1.83. So you can see that these ratios are not same. So if these ratios are not same, then it means that the ADE is not similar to the triangle ABC. So it means that it's not the enlargement of the triangle ABC. Okay, so very technical question. It involves the concept of the similar figures, which you have studied in your 8th class. Okay, so let's move to the next question. That is cos theta is the question. So you can see here we have theta is cos. They are asking us, and I know the three sides of this triangle. You know, I know this three sides of this triangle, so I can easily find the cos of this angle. So I will apply the law of cosine, and according to law of cosine, cos theta is equals to 3 square plus 6 square minus 3.5 square equals to divided by 2 divided by 3 divided by 6 equals to, and we don't have to find the angle, we only want the cos theta, so that will be 0.91. The third part is, he says, hence find the value of the x. Here we have the value of the x. So I can find the value of the x. I know this side, that's 5. I know this side, that's 11. And I know the cos of this theta. So use the law of cosine, and it says x square is equals to 5 square plus 11 square minus 2 into 5 into 11 into cos of theta. So 5 square will be 25, 11 square is 121 minus 2 into 5 into 11, that's 110. And cos theta is 0.91. So in your calculator, you will write 25 plus 121 minus 110 multiplies 0.91 equals to 45.91. Under root answer equals to, that will be 6.77. So this is how you will solve the question number 15. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, so the next question coming up on your screen is question number 16. He says, in the triangle ABC. So basically we are talking about this triangle ABC. So basic thing is about this triangle. Okay. Okay. So we are talking about the triangle ABC, and he says in the triangle ABC, the AB is equals to 8 centimeter, BC is equals to 5 centimeter, and the CA side, this side, CA side is 6 centimeter. BC is produced, so it's prolonged, it's produced to R, so that the CR, this CR is 3 centimeter. He says, express the cos of the angle BCA in the form P by Q, where P and the Q are the integers. So we have to find out the cos of the BCA. The cos of the BCA, so they are talking about this angle. So I can find out this. Cos of BCA will be 6 square plus 5 square minus 8 square equals to divided by 2 into 6 into 5, and that will give you minus 0.05. So the cos of the BCA is, if you convert it into the fraction, it will be minus 1 by 20. Okay, so now I know the cos of this, and their question is, what is AR? AR is this side, AR. If you know the cos of this, you can tell the cos of this also. The cos, you have learned this in your first exercise. So if I know the cos of this, the cos of its acute angle will be the same, but its sign will be different. So the cos of the angle ACR will be also 120, but it will be positive 120. So I will apply the formula on the AR. It will be 3 square plus 6 square minus 2 into 3 into 6 into the cos of the ACR. ACR is this angle. And whatever is the cos of this angle, same will be the cos of this angle, only the sign will change. So the AR square will be equals to 9 square plus 36 minus 2 into 3 into 6 is 36. Cos of ACR will be positive 1 by 20. Very technical thing. That is what you learned in your exercise 8A. So AR square will be equals to 43.2. So AR will be equals to 6.57. So I hope that you have understood this. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. That is question number 17. He says, in the figure, the point P lies on the AB such that the AP is equals to 5 centimeter and the PB is equals to 3 centimeter. The point Q lies on the AC such that the AQ is 6 centimeter and the QC is 7 centimeter. Find the length of the PQ. So they want us to find the length of the they want you to find the length of the PQ. So what we will do, we will first of all find this angle, okay? Cos of this angle. So the cos of this angle, you know, look at the big triangle. Look at the big triangle, the big triangle. And you can see that this side is 8, and you can see that this side is how much? So this side I know is 8. I know this side, that is 13. I know this side, that's 14. I can find the cos of this angle. Use the law of cosine, and cos BAC, cos of the BAC will be equals to okay. The cos of the BAC will be equals to 8 square plus 13 square minus 14 square equals to divided by 2 divided by 8 divided by 13 equals to. So the cos of this angle will be 0.1779. Now, in this triangle, I know these two sides. I know the cos of this angle. I can find the PQ side. Apply the law of cosine. PQ square is equals to 5 square plus 6 square minus 2 multiply 5 multiply 6 multiply cos of the angle A. I know the value of the cos of angle A, that is 0.1779. So you will have 25 plus 36 minus 60 into 0.1779. If you put these values in your calculator, you will get 50.326. So take the under root of this number, square root of this number, the PQ will be equal to 7.094 centimeter. So we are done with the question number 17. Hopefully this you have understood this question, and this is so we are done with the exercise 8D of the new syllabus mathematics 7th edition book. And this exercise is basically about the law of cosines, and this exercise also involves some questions, some parts of the questions which use the law of sine and the area of the triangle formula. So my dear students, today we have done the exercise 8D. I hope that this video, which is quite a long video, will help you to understand the law of cosine and to do the basic level questions, the intermediate level questions, and the advanced level questions on the law of cosine. So if you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like my video. If you find this video very helpful, share the link of this video in your Facebook account and into your Instagram account. That will be a big appreciation for me. So it was a great pleasure teaching you. I hope that I am to some help to you. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a good day and God bless you.